jumped out of my dreams. Pretty eyes so wise and pristine. I couldn't ask for more than the day you came to my door. Open eyes cause I couldn't believe that you were right in front of me. Feeling pushed right through my heart. Fireworks lit right from the start. Got me on cloud.
Good evening, everyone. Today is Memorial Day. Just finished cutting the lawn here. Michelle's over there finishing some stuff up. I walked down to pick strawberries and the mockingbird was stuck in here. She was in here eating strawberries. I caught her red-handed. Anyway, I wanted to go up and get my phone. That was the handiest camera that I had. I'm gonna pick some more strawberries. Look at the damage those birds do. And I think it's just one bird. While I'm thinking about it, guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're a follower of ours, make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified of new videos. We're gonna try to put out a whole bunch of videos in the coming weeks and months. We got a whole bunch of stuff planned and in store that you guys are not going to want to miss. How does that sound for a plug? That's a pretty nice berry right there. Anyway, if I get this video out in time, like I said, it's Memorial Day, it's Monday. We have got a live stream scheduled for Wednesday evening at 8 p.m. I believe. So please be sure to join us for that. We are going to be having our 1,000 subscriber giveaway that we should have had months ago. But we have just been so busy. And we're still so busy. You guys will understand why soon enough. But I want everybody to join us. Hopefully we'll have a great time and somebody will win a $100 Amazon gift card. Well, e-gift card. And when I have time, I'm going to try to do as many of these home vlogs as I can. Michelle and I are going to do some more cooking vlogs. Have fun doing that. Also have some more vlogs coming up of our travels the past couple of weeks and months. I think I confused some of you about the order in which I've posted some vlogs. The camper is still being repaired. It is not with us at this time, but I still have some vlogs to post when we were camping in Uwharrie National Forest, as well as, well, that's actually it. that's the last time we went camping because of the deer episode. And to be perfectly honest with you, we really don't know when we're gonna get our camper back, unfortunately. They are waiting on parts from KZ to do the repair. And then the same shop is supposed to be working on our refrigerator for us. We'll see if they can get that figured out. Look at that. That is so good. So what do you guys think I should do with these strawberries? Let's keep it civil, people. Let's keep it civil. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking some jam, maybe strawberry ice cream again. Look at that. I think I'm going to eat this one. Oh, is that delicious? Oh my goodness, is that so sweet? I've been buying so many strawberries from the store this year, and I've been so disappointed. The ones from Mexico, the ones from Florida, the ones from California, they've all been not very sweet, kind of dry, and not very tasty. Not like these. These are good, and man, these things are so juicy. Alright, you're probably not going to be able to hear me because Michelle's getting close with the mower. She's coming after me with that. Look at all these berries. So many strawberries. Everywhere. Okay guys, she's gone. I'm still picking. Still picking. Anyway, after having such a miserable past 2 days, as far as the weather goes, it has been at 50 degrees on May 29th and May 30th, and we are actually in the upper 40s with heavy rain. It's just been miserable here. But today is actually quite nice. So you know what I'm going to try to do? I am going to try to edit this. I just dropped you guys. Sorry. Hope I didn't hurt anybody's head. I am going to edit what there is to edit of this. And I think I'm going to upload it tonight. And then I'm going to begin to work on another vlog so that I can have something up for next weekend. Maybe even sooner. We'll see how it goes, how my week goes. You guys have no idea how much stuff we've got going on right now. If I could just tell you, and we will, we'll tell you guys in good time. It's exciting though. Exciting news. And actually, I was looking online yesterday and I saw that New Jersey has lifted their mask mandate. So I think we need to fit a trip to the Jersey Shore in here, not before too long. See how things are going on over there on the Jersey Shore. I bet you it's busy this year. Everybody's been pinned up, locked down. Everybody wants to get out and do something. I sure hope you guys can hear this with that lawnmower running, because I do not know what it sounds like, and I'm using my phone to shoot this. So anyway, as I was saying earlier, make sure that you guys meet up with us Wednesday at 8 p.m. for our live chat. You have to be at the live chat to win the prize. Look at that. Textbook strawberry. So far I think I've gotten like, probably 4, maybe 5 quarts of strawberries, counting what I've picked right now. So that's a decent amount of berries for a little home strawberry patch here. I think, all told, I feel like I had started with 75 plants, all the same variety. Still a bunch to pick in a couple of days, but this is what we're dealing with today. That is a lot of strawberries. Yum. Hey guys, how about we torch that tonight? The winds have slackened off tonight. Let's do that. Let's burn it. Let's burn it. Yeah, I know it's not on the Mediterranean diet, but Michelle made some blueberry pound cake, and let me tell you, it is absolutely delicious. Those blueberries are from last year's harvest. We had more left over, so we had to start using them up. And she also made some chocolate chip cookies today. One batch, that's all that's left. We didn't eat them all though. Trust me, we didn't. All right guys, I got my Harbor Freight flamethrower here. I don't know if I have enough propane left in here though. We'll have to see. Fire this bad boy up. See what happens. I heard some gas go through it. Let's see if it'll fire up. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, I think. Let's try this. Oh yeah, we have flame. I hope there are no critters in here. If there are, they have about 5 seconds to get out of here. Uh-oh. Hold on. They have longer than 5 seconds to get out of here. Work up there. Stand by. Okay, apparently the igniter has stopped working. I had this sitting outside on the porch for a couple of days and it kind of rusted out. It may have caused an issue with it. That sucks because this thing worked beautifully. Nothing. It's like a gas grill. Alright, I gotta go get a lighter. Alright, I got it lit. Here we go. Of course, it was raining all day yesterday. We'll see if it catches. Going. It is going. Nice little bonfire. It's actually kind of chilly tonight, so this feels good. I'm going to torch some of these weeds too. Ah, I didn't see that tomato cage in there. That's not good. Oh. Eesh. That thing is crisp. Hope there's no more in here. Oh, there's some more stuff over here. I pushed all this stuff over in a pile 2 days ago before it started raining. I missed a couple of things. Alright, I'm gonna torch some of these plants right here, get them taken care of, probably those over there and these over here. This fire is extremely hot. I almost burned myself twice just trying to get some of these smaller twigs into the fire. It's really not that big of a fire either, but it is very hot. Well guys, I guess this is going to do it for this vlog. Like I said in the beginning, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you're already subscribed, please be sure to hit that notification bell. We'd love to get more views on these home vlogs, that's for sure. You guys have a good day.